Energy drinks.
Videos are going outside of bus.
No issues. So you are telling 1:30?
Yeah, so we have a rain dance that starts at 3, goes until 3:40, and at 4 o'clock wave pool starts. From 4 to 4:30, I believe. Yeah, 4 to 4:30. It's only half an hour. It might be shortened by 20 minutes too. From 4:20 until 5:30, we have time to catch up for any other leftover activities. Alongside, high tea will be provided with the tea, coffee, and any snacks, probably some fritters. Okay, so that's the plan. So you guys have literally 2 hours to explore those two good amount of adventure tasks. And we have coupons also. Coupons will be with Guru Prasad, additional coupons. But for all of you whoever want to explore, we give you 10 coupons right away. The moment you hit the resort, you can use it for whatever game you like to play. Okay.
In how many minutes we are going to reach?
The venue should be there by next 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers is it?
15-20 minutes.
This one junction, if we cross right, we are free. That we'll hit another toll. So that is free road from there. So we're expecting another 15 minutes. And I think we'll be having a very short time for breakfast. So quickly eat as much as possible. So good.
Rocket ejector.
I hope everything is operating well. Some people, they give lame excuse, it is not working. When you see the huge crowd, they do that. Play song.
Hey guys, anybody want to join on the South songs? any South song? Anybody will join on South song? Which is the South? Which is the famous? Activities we enjoy here.
Yes. We are going, okay, as an introduction for the team building activity today.
Team building.
Okay, so we are going to start our day with having heavy breakfast.
Heavy.
Yes, the breakfast is unlimited. You can fill into your pockets also. Okay, so we'll give you protein supplement on the morning day.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to have some icebreaker activities, and I have roped in a good looking anchor as well who will conduct the team building activities. Okay, so we will be joining all the leaders around 10 o'clock, hoping so after breakfast. And then from 10 to 12, we'll have the team building activities. Like I said, beautiful looking anchor.
Beautiful.
For me, she is beautiful for me. I don't know about you all.
For you, it is beautiful.
Yes, sir.
That is the only motivational point for
Yes,
people.
yes. I went behind her. Okay, after the team building activities, the interesting part is we have adventure activities as well, and we have procured good amount of coupons. Every activity will have to issue coupons, only then they'll allow us to play. But there's only 2-star attractive activities that called Flying Fox. Flying Fox is not part of coupon. I want you all guys enjoy that, especially the youngsters, including me. So,
Good job.
yeah. That Flying Fox is very good. You should not miss that activity. So the moment we finish our team building activity, right? It will be Saturday, and most of the crowd are going to be along with us, joining the resort. See how you can snug in and get that spot to get that Flying Fox activity done. But that's a thrilling experience. You guys want to make a reels of it.
Flying fox means.
They'll hang you like this, just like parallel to the ground, and they'll just slide you down through the rope. You have seen the zip line, but this is, you'll be just hanging like a flight. How you see when a fox flies? Exactly it is. Huh?
Any weight limit is there?
Huh? Yes, sir. You have to be lighter as fox.
Then nobody
Else you will see the heaven.
I know foxes are heavy.
Kanakpura.
Yes.
there.
See, to anybody giving you chocolate, she's giving.
What is the step? What is the step?
We will do that simple step. Everybody in the line.
I think standing is more good, man.
Which one would ask?
Standing is more good, right? Standing is more good. Standing or sitting is good. Hey, standing
रेफरेंस
is
के
good.
लिए step.
We are old. We catch it.
This one. Okay.
Like this you can do. Okay, it's okay.
अरे फॉरवर्ड के 10 मिनट अरे फॉरवर्ड के 10 सेकंड
Which one is the final?
Like this is final.
ये step okay.
Hey man, this will be all just it. Okay.
बस सर हिलाना है
हाथ भी तो हिलाएंगे.
हाँ, पहले सर हिलाएंगे उसके बाद.
Body.
स्टार्ट करो स्टार्ट
Action.
It's okay. Oh, he's showing complex step. Don't worry.
अंदर I will.
Okay. That's a simple step, ma. Srivani, just to hang your head. Same thing you do. That's all.
He will start from there.
All right. Everybody will do the steps.
Yeah, this is a great view. This Yes,
yours.
yes,
Very
yes,
good.
yes. We can take it.
Hesitant. Shorter people. Come here, come forward, man.
Here also we can take one photo. Like this background is good.
This bus is also read it. This location is also good.
Name we have to add.
Veg or non-veg?
Veg.
Okay.
Pick this one. Veg is first column. Okay, thank you.
They won't allow you inside, man, without the band. And you fill the form and go. So, okay, second right, have your pick.
Oh, now your style change.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
Full swag style.
ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ.
Whatever you feel comfortable to do.
Ready?
Just a squat, only for two squats, for the purpose, photogenic faces. Yeah.
Okay. There itself you can do the squats. Yeah, I'm taking the video.
I say lean DD. Okay, when I say lean DD, let's do squat. Only for 2 seconds, that's all you have to do. So you click the picture. Quite easy, man. I had been to Indian toilets long time back.
Okay, are we ready for this? Okay.
Team A and Team B. Okay, when I say Team A, guys, just do squat. We can take a picture of it. That's all.
Okay. Don't disturb the line. Don't disturb the line.
Try to keep your hands up. Hands up. A kind of gorilla pose. Yes. Just for a second, sir.
Naveen sir is taking a revenge.
Okay. Team A only. Team A only. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now please squat. Hold for 2 seconds. Let the sheet pick. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I think the youngsters aren't even motivated, man. Huh? Manoj, come here. He did not even put an effort at least.
Position 3, 2, 1, start. Lift slowly, lift slowly. Slowly, sir, slow. Sir, slow. Cheating. Anyhow, they cheated, they fell down. Sir, you are doing amazing. Slow, little bit slow. Slow, balance. Slow, little bit slow. Yes. Nidana. Baby. Little bit move ahead. Yeah! They done it. Just finish it.
Come on, we don't want Lavan.
Excuse me, this time you guys slayed it and killed it. Wow, such an amazing group of 4 members. Third time round applause. The first winners. The first winner, second winner, and you guys are the third winner and the last one. Yes, and now we left with the last one more round, right? Wow, दयविಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ. Last round, last 4 person, group of 4.
But this time the pyramid fell down.
नहीं, उनका नहीं गिरा था. Walk slowly. BP team, don't hurry. You are the top one. Go slowly. Make it successful. Top one. Superb. Make it fast. Cross the line. Okay. Slow. Make it slow. Lovely. Slow. Jan, superb. They cross. 1 second. Yes, slowly keep it down. Slowly. Yes. 3, 2, 1, start. No. Sir. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಸಮಾಧಾನ. Just I told to scream out ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ನೀವು? 9 ಮುಗಿಸಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ? ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಾಧಾನ. Okay? So when I say 3, 2, 1, everybody LNT, you have to scream. No, don't start. Okay? 3, 2, 1, start.
Pooja, ekadam Pooja.
Pooja also made wasted water.
Yeah, this team is wasting water much. Make it fast.
Bucket ले जा.
Okay,
Okay.
Come on.
Come on.
Run.
Stand near the bucket. Next person stand near the bucket. It will save time. Stand near the bucket. Next person.
Take the bucket. It's done.
We are giving hints also. Make sure that.
अरे मैं लेके चले जाओ.
Our has distillery water now.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಂದಾಕಿ.
अरे we will go again.
Last. Hey, enough. Oh, boys. No. Hello. You will lose the game. Come on. No. Lose the game. Come on. Keep it.
We won.
Take it.
No, there is no water.
No, still is there.
Where is the water?
Okay. Super. And one high five, please. High five. Super. Yes. And one punch. Yes. Super. Don't talk.
He's clearly telling there's the ball.
Don't speak. Don't speak. Don't. Sir, you're clearly talking. Don't speak.
You're just taking and going him.
Sir, don't hold his hand. Don't hold his hand. Oh, complete cheating. I am able to see. Oh my God. Okay.
No glass.
Come only for approval, right? LLM approval, resource approval, Ginta comes every day. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. 3. Let's go.
Yes, super. Lovely. You guys are looking so lovely in this position. Yeah? Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Thank you so much. 2, 1, start. Come on. Bigger. Make it. Yes, fast. You have to make fast. Okay, bigger. Fast. Okay. Hey, these guys are doing so too slow. Make it fast.
I think the lunch is already waiting, guys. The essence have to reach your level.
Bigger. Make it fast. Run fast. Squeeze it fast. Yeah, that's the sportiness. Go and make it fast. Run. Yeah, you have to move fast.
100 rupees, yeah.
Ado. Bigger.
Ready, sir. I need
Hey, don't talk. I will tell. 3, 2, 1, start. Don't start now. The game is not yet started. And the spy, only raise your hand. Don't make any sound. Spy, only raise the hand. Spies, only raise the hand. No spy? No spies. Okay. Any spy from the other team, only raise a hand. Yes. Okay, superb. And rest of the LNDS, can we have a huge round of applause? Everybody clap. Superb. I think the audience are ready. I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Don't say any left, right. Come on. Lift. PLM. Come on, one more time. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. One more time. और एक बार बोलो फिर से. जोर से बोलो PLM. प्यार से बोलो PLM. Thank you so much. Start. Right? Position. The rule is you have to go slowly. That's a technique. Okay? Lock it. Lock properly. Okay, ready? Sir, ready? They are ready.
Ready, done.
They are ready. They are ready. They are ready. I can't wait. 3, 2, 1, start. Slowly. Slowly. Superb. Superb. Yes. So you again you come. Have to be here. Yes, superb, superb. Superb. Lovely, lovely. Super, pass, pass, pass. Okay. Hop. Lovely, lovely. Make it fast, make it fast. Super. Super, make it fast. Lovely, lovely. Come on, make it fast. Super, 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 super. Yes, yes, yes. Making it fast. Super. They're using hands.
Give 2 hands. They use hand.
Oh my God, come to the first person. Lovely. Yeah, show it. Yes.
That's not on the ground first.
No. 3, 2, 1, start. Come on. Slowly. Slowly. You can do it. Slowly. Yes. Come on.
This is not allowed, right?
No. This is allowed. This is allowed.
Done.
Yeah.
So these are the all activities. We enjoyed a lot here, and she also clicked photos. She's an expert photographer, by the way.
Yeah,
So you can-
photography.
So you can contact anytime with her, okay? So now you see the beautiful area we are, okay? Now you will see the trees we are passing, right? And the air is so much fresh air. There is huge oxygen content, and see the flowers on back of our side, right? And also now we will rotate, okay? You see the whole background area, right? You will enjoy it. People are staying here. Actually, this is great area to stay. Sitafal. For what purpose Sitafal is useful?
Just tasty.
Okay.
It's tasty. Very nice.
This is a white cloud. And here we have small kitten. This is a nice area. Start. You start it.
एक बार देख लीजिए ठीक
हाँ देखेंगे अभी इसको.
नाइस यार नाइस
Oh, this GP is good. Protein. Yes, sir. Only one.
Which is the one? Meeting room 2, huh?
Yeah.
And password?
0 to 1 backwards. 09.
Where are our guys? This is our guy. This is our guy. These are all our guys.
Yes, all over there.
Actually, there should be some tag, right, for our company. So that's
सोच रहे कि सब लोग आए जल्दी
रखा हुआ है, ठंडा हो रहा है. So I'm just taking a route and capturing all guys.
नवीन
Levan, call them. Come friend. Okay, come friend. Again. One more time. Last one time.
वही करेंगे आज सबको सीखना पड़ेगा 1 2 3 ये पहले भी था
आप ऐसे फेस टू फेस जाइए ठीक है डांस करते करते
No, सेम करेंगे
आपका आइडिया पता है ना पता है समझ में आया ना लाइक यू नो गो फेस टू फेस जस्ट व्हाइल डूइंग द डांस
Simple. So this time we have to just hold your hands in the pocket.
Hold your hands.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬೇರೆದಾ
Why not this one? Ready, guys?
Simple like this. 1.
So left, right.
Use your right leg.
Only right leg.
Left.
Right leg. Okay.
Right. Left. Right.
Ready, 5, 6. Just forward. First forward.
नहीं वो लोग बीच में ये सॉन्ग लेके आ रहे हैं
That's it.
गाना कौन सा बजाना भाई
We'll set
अभी बनना है, एक रिक्वेस्ट है, जाएंगे उसके बाद सीधा बस में निकल जाएंगे।
उधर ग्रुप फोटो लेंगे ना?
नहीं वो बस वहीं पे आएगा क्या?
पूछा सर। Just for
He's doing content creation.
और एक creation है. और एक creation है.
ये एक ग्रुप फोटो
पहले हमने कम लोगों ने कर लिया था, बाकी टीम रह गई।
Okay guys.
ग्रुप फोटो ले
Sir, we will higher content.
I have given my opinion that
Group photo. Only one group photo. You did not scan. Join.
टेप करके वो
needs a huge effort, right, to keep capturing, right, everything, all the moments. This is a huge team.
साइड में पैर रखने के लिए जगह है, वो ये करो, ट्राई करो।
पैर रख लो यार. Don't sit straight.
अरे संदीप साइड में ये पैर रख।
अब करो. Right. अब टेक्निक पकड़े हो.
आगे ना
ओके ना उसका पैर उसमें रखो. ये बेंड हो जाओ और खींच के पकड़ो.
Oh, this is a view we need to catch, right? This view. Hey man, shout some. Say something.
Paneer.
Paneer.
Plan to come. That's not true.
resting. You're veg.
Yeah, I'm veg.
So 2 veg people, 3 non-veg.
Veg.
Veg? Oh.
I also
No,
can eat
never,
veg.
never non-veg or some.
श्रद्धा को अभी एक सेफ जगह मिला था.
For this.
Yeah, I think 2 points.
So what will happen after all the points?
Then you have to pay for it.
Can you keep down? Keep down. Otherwise pyramid ಮಾಡಿ. If it falls down, no worries. If it falls down, just ಅದೇನ್ game ಇಲ್ಲ. Second team
That was a.
Who is the sponsor? Yes.
No.
Hey, Bunny, come forward. So they are drinking a healthy juice. Come back. Okay, so can you come just now? Yes. So ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ರೋಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Address, face audience. Yes. Lights, camera, rolling.
So first of all, I didn't know most of you. So it was an event where I met with some people. It's I think true for most of the people here. Post-COVID, most of us don't work from office, and our queens and princes also told me females want permanent work from home.
Wow.
This is one event where I think we met some people here. And regarding the games, it was good and fun, but each company runs in their own way. So you need something else. There's a different game altogether there. That's it. It was fun.
Okay, thank you so much. Round of applause. So hope you enjoyed. And you do have a lots of activities here. Please don't waste the time. And after the lunch, please utilize your time best. And you do have a rain dance and wave pool, everything. Explore the resort. Thank you so much for the opportunity and giving the time. Thank you.
All the ladies, next time keep outing work from home.
That is a punch, right?
No, work from home, that's all.
Come here. We enjoyed really here with all the group through this, so this helped us very much. You can also visit here, and I will share the details, right, and the location. Okay, thanks, bye. Buses are ready. DD, this is Dehradun actually. This DD number is Dehradun, Uttarakhand. This is see Nagaland. That bus is from Nagaland. NL. These both buses are ready to go. It's going to start in both the buses. You can see these both buses. One is from Nagaland, other one is from Dehradun, and I'm going to ride this bus now towards our room. One bus already left, you can see. It was a nice trip. All people came, we took the attendance, and we are riding back. Enjoyed a lot, right?
Yes.
Okay guys, let's go back. So we have taken the attendance and most of people are there. We started back towards our office now. It was a nice trip, saying bye bye to this property. Thoda back loop. Guys, this turn is very difficult, so he's rotating the mirror. Feeling it back. Sunset view you can see, guys. Main highway. Sunset all done, all dark, and we are going back to the inside also. So we have turned down the lights. and you will keep seeing us together, right?
Yes.
Most of the parties.
Yes, I would love to meet again and again and again. So